One man accused of participating in the siege on the U.S. Capitol faces charges, and his lawyer's approach to his defense is raising eyebrows.
So yeah, we've got a photograph of our client who appears to be inside the federal building or inside the Capitol with government property.
Adam Johnson of Florida is suspected to be the man in this photo, smiling as he carries the podium with the symbol of the Speaker of the House. One of his lawyers, Dan Eckhart, seems to admit to reporters that the photo poses a problem for their defense.
I don't know how to else explain that, but yeah, that would be a problem. I'm not a magician, and neither is Bigney.
Nicole Borde is a defense attorney in Texas, not affiliated with this case. She says it would have been better for Eckhart not to say anything at all.
It's a little bit of a head shaker. On the one hand, I completely sympathize with what frustration he must be feeling, but I think it's valuable to keep in mind that it's never required that the defense attorneys speak with the press.
36-year-old Johnson is one of many people the FBI tracked down after the January 6th Capitol assault. Johnson was charged with knowingly entering or remaining in any restricted building or grounds without lawful authority, violent entry and disorderly conduct on Capitol grounds, and theft of government property. But after his attorney's comments, Borde says it's unlikely they'll be mounting a case of mistaken identity.
It certainly appears that what they intend to do is beg for mercy. And so what they'll be doing is, in the defense world, what we call presenting mitigation. They'll be presenting information to the court about why this particular defendant should just not be sentenced harshly for what you're seeing in that photograph.
Johnson's other lawyer, David Bigney, says the photo doesn't tell the whole story.
But right now, what we're dealing with is a lot of notoriety simply because of a photograph that was taken in an instant. A lot of judgment based on that photograph, which has led to death threats to Adam and his family.
Johnson was released on a $25,000 bond, but with so much visual evidence against the defendants involved, many of it created by the defendants themselves, a lot of defense attorneys are going to have their work cut out for them. For Inside Edition Digital, I'm Montalbano.